Okay, so day 3 of doing research. I'm buying a house in Wesley Chapel, Tampa Bay area. So we're going to Muslim schools today. There are 2 big schools. One is called AYA, American Youth Academy, and the second one is Universal Academy of Florida, UAF. So both are, I would say, huge schools. Because they have students, active students above 800. I got, I believe, 1,200 students. That's huge, like for US scale, I would say. It's a huge school. It's considered as one of the big schools. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna tour both schools. And they have masjids close by, so we're gonna tour around the neighborhood over there to find out more information about the sports, education, also the deen, the religion, so how they teach, and just to see the facility itself as well. And we're gonna go back to Wesley Chapel and check out the new homes and possibly open houses if we can make it. So we're coming from Davenport, Florida to Tampa. It's about an hour drive, so stay tuned. So we're here in Health Academy here, and UAF is right there across the street, so right next to each other, but 2 separate schools. And it's got a very huge Islamic center, masjid over there, which is very cool to have right by a school. So there are a lot of pupils, students playing outside. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna check out the school right now, and possibly talk to the front desk and have a tour inside, hopefully. And we're gonna go to the mosque to check it out as well. And UAF looks like it's closed today because of the holiday, President's Day. So let's see. They also have a judo club over there. One of our brothers, Kur's brother. So we're signing up for a tour right now. So based on ChatGPT, the difference between those 2 schools is that Health Academy is actually more concentrated on Arabic and Quran studies, or like religious studies. And by the time they graduate from school, they'll memorize the full Quran. And UAF is more academic. That's based on ChatGPT. So let's find out. We have some friends in UAF and AYA, but we don't have anybody who comes to have the academy, so we can ask them. So,
regardless of household income rate.
There are a lot of Quran students over here right now. I just don't want to disturb them with the loud noise, so that's why I'm speaking slowly right now, low volume. So I'm so amazed that there are a lot of Quran students memorizing Quran. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. So this is so far one of the best Islamic schools I've seen so far. I did see it with my own eyes that people actually study in the masjid, memorizing Quran, Hadith, and then Arabic. So there are a lot of students inside memorizing it and then students over here walking to their classes, and I'm pretty amazed. So far the impression is positive. So we'll have to dig into it now for the reviews and everything. We'll have to do a little more research on it. So they have a judo class over here, and the teacher actually is from Kyrgyzstan, so he's our countryman, I would say. So what we learned about this school is that ChatGPT was actually right about religion. So they are concentrating more on the religious stuff, but also academically they have achieved so many things too. So they're kind of balancing it out, and they say that it's one of the best balanced school between academic and then religion. And I'm gonna recap in a bit. So we're gonna be checking out the daycare here. It's a daycare preschool, Istaba Peace Academy. Peace Academy is the daycare of the Hifth Academy. So it's the same school. And Istaba is a parent organization, I would say. And then the masjid belongs to that organization, and under that umbrella they have a daycare and school. So they have a soccer field over here, daycare over here, huge parking lot. Masjid is open 24/7, and then Hifth Academy school over there, judo school over here, food pantry, and it's from the daycare is actually from preschool, and daycare is from 2-year-old. Right now they have it from 1-year-old to 3-year-old, but from next year we were told that they are getting rid of the 1-year-old. So the compound is huge over here, and then UAF is over there. And what we figured actually in this Temple Terrace area, they have a lot of masjids and Muslim schools. That's a blessing to have. Yeah, so good thing to learn. All right, so what we noticed actually in Temple Terrace, there are a lot of halal food. Halal. Taste of Yemen. First I'm trying to taste Yemeni food. So there are a lot of them, literally, like in every block. And everything in Arabic, and then a lot of Muslims here, a lot of Muslim schools. Good to know. So far, this is the biggest school I have ever seen. Muslim school. The parking and the buildings are so huge over here. All right, so this is so big. It's huge. It's like full-size high school, mid-school. It's got pretty much everything that you would see in common public schools. So this is Masjid of Aya. It's called Islamic Center of New Tampa. This is women's section, and on the left side is a men's section. And this side is a sport complex, and that side is pre-K and primary school, and the other side is mid and high school. So we did schedule a tour for Thursday. It's 3 days from now, and we have a tour on Wednesday in Hifth Academy. This one is Aya. On Thursday we will try to call UAF as well, and Bayan. We haven't had any confirmation yet about the tour, so we're gonna be definitely coming back for the tours here. So it takes about an hour to drive from there to here. So now we're gonna go to Wesley Chapel again to see other new houses, so we might have to go a little bit down to the south so that we can be closer to the school and masjids. And the Islamic Center of New Tampa is actually right in the borderline of Zephyr Hills, New Tampa, and Wesley Chapel, so we can go down there. So let's see if we can find any options there. Hopefully we can. Stay tuned. So now we're going to Islamic Center of New Tampa. It's about 20 minutes, 11 miles from Aya. We're just going to be simulating if we're going to be driving down from that area to here, how long it's going to take during the peak hours, back and forth, how long it's going to take. So we'll have to calculate pretty much everything, because we're going to be spending most of our time like for daily drives back and forth, if it's worth it or not. Like and they do offer a shuttle school bus to that location. So if we're gonna opt into that option, then we'll have to drive from whatever the location of the Wesley Chapel or New Tampa is, from that location to the masjid. So we're gonna be simulating that as well. Hopefully we can find a house nearby a masjid closer, so that like if we're not gonna be taking a school bus, then we can definitely dropping off our kids to this location, to the school, because pretty much like all the Muslim schools or Islamic schools are located in Temple Terrace area, so within, I would say, like 5-mile radius. So let's see. Stay tuned. So it's about 3 o'clock right now, and the traffic is not that bad. I'm not sure if it's usual traffic during this hour, but it seems like there are a lot of people going into the city from Wesley Chapel area. And this is I'm not sure what road is it, Morris Bridge Road, 579 state route. So but to Wesley Chapel there are not so many like traffic, so hopefully it is usual traffic. So we are about 5 minutes from the New Tampa Masjid, so we're gonna just be passing by it and go to a new community by MI Homes in I think it was Two Rivers, and they have Taylor Morrison also has one new community over there. That's a river landing, so we're gonna be checking out the MI Homes. So we did check out yesterday the river landing by Taylor Morrison. So both are closer to the masjid and close to the city, but the upper Wesley Chapel is a little bit far. It adds up about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the traffic. So, but it's on the east side of Wesley Chapel, which is in the borderline of the Manassas, I'm not sure how they pronounce it, New Tampa, and then Zephyr Hills, and the east side of Wesley Chapel is southeast, and it's a little bit far from the Wiregrass and Premium Outlets and all the other outlets, and then the shopping malls. Stay tuned. So if we buy a house by 56 State Route 56, so it's about like 5 to 10 minutes drive to the masjid. Now we're going to the State Route 54, and this is a little bit up of Wesley Chapel, I would say like mid of Wesley Chapel. So it says about 16 minutes from the masjid to that community by MI Homes. So we're going to be checking out MI Homes again, David Wickley, Matami Homes. So we did check D.R. Horton, Taylor Morrison. And then we're going to be checking out one more community, K Bar Branch by MI Homes. So we're going to see how long it's going to take to get to the masjid and to the city. So it looks like the cars are piling up over here, a lot of traffic. So it looks like 3 o'clock if you're going down on this State Route 579 towards the city south, then we'll probably hit a lot of traffic. So let's see. Stay tuned. So we came here, Chapel Crossings, David Quigley homes. So I'm not sure if they share the same clubhouse by my homes and Matami. So we're gonna check it out. It looks like it's a little bit more expensive than my homes because they start from 600. Let's check it. I like the color. I like the cabinets. Yes. And then countertop, pretty much everything about this model house is good. So this house is 550 as is. This is a model house. Of course, they did a lot of upgrade over here. I like the gold faucets, like hardware features, and then I like the tiles as well. Like they did a great job. The only thing is it's not a high ceiling. And this one is I believe it was 2400 or 2300, 2-story by Matami Homes. So the price is 550. I think it has a 3-bedroom and 4-bedroom actually. Yeah, 1 in-law suite, and then this is master, 2 bedrooms over here. Yeah. And then bathroom, shower over here. I like it. I like the shower doors. I love it. This is actually what I wanted. It's a high quality one. And I like this tiles too. I love it. Pretty much everything about it. It looks cool. And then closet. The bathroom over here. The master. I forgot what they call this ceiling, raised ceiling, so I love it too. I like the color family. Yeah, it looks so cool with this ones. Got the same carpet actually at home. Feels good. Alright, so this is a flex room. So I think it's a cool feature. They have a in-law suite over here. And garage. So this is going to be garage, and then let's wait on this side. And this is the entrance. So as soon as you come in here, you're going to see the staircase on the right side, and then closet over here, garage door over here, and in-law suite with full bathroom over here, and then dining area, living room, and then kitchen. Love it. Love the floor pan, one eye on the back, and then with the pond view. The only thing with this one is that State Route is right over there, and it's very noisy. But everything else is perfect. Like the gourmet kitchen, they call it executive kitchen. High quality countertops, backsplash. Color family is so good. Love it. So the microwave, stove. Everything looks good. Working pantry, a little bit small, but it's okay for this type of house, I believe. And a high ceiling. It's a common thing for this houses, I would say. Looks like this is LVP. It's not a tile. And this is tile. And this is gonna be full bathroom. And this is in-law suite. It's a little bit small, but it's okay. Because of the high ceiling, it looks roomier.